I can see fear and doubt in your eyes, but always remember, all this fear is gonna lead you to success in your life. Come, I'll show you. See? All of these students are very scared and nervous when they came here. Now look at them, how confident they are.
A mentor is someone who allows to see the hope inside yourself. This is the beginning of my success story that will continue for many years. Thanks to Poddar International College for giving me this journey.